Welcome to my channel. In this video I show you tech gadgets that's available on Amazon. You kindly subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for the latest updates. Let's get started. Number 1.
Introducing August Smart Lock Pro, our most advanced smart lock yet. With August, your phone is now your key, letting you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. On your August app, you can create secure, temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August Smart Lock Pro comes with Connect Wi-Fi Bridge, giving you remote access to your front door. Like when your mom shows up 3 hours early. Simply use your August app to securely let people in from anywhere. Even if you're miles from home, you can remotely check and lock your door from your August app. And with our DoorSense technology, you can always make sure your door is not only locked, but closed. You can even ask Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant to securely lock and unlock your front door. August is also Apple HomeKit ready. And August is a certified Z-Wave Plus technology provider. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys.
Number 2.
Aura, the ultimate drone with gesture robotics mind-blowing technology. Simply put the glove on and feel the power of having Aura right in your hand. Make 360 flips and show your skills flying like a pro right out of the box. Controlling a drone has never been so easy.
Number 3 is magnetic Bluetooth speaker. Number 4 is Nomodo Trio. Number 5.
Introducing Ergonite, a non-invasive brain training solution that will unlock your potential for deep, fulfilling sleep. Here's how it works. Place the Ergonite band on when you have downtime during the day. It's adjustable and comfy. Now, the app will lead you through a series of exercises and measure your brain waves. Take a look. It visualizes real-time brain activity, helps identify your sleep brainwaves, then teaches you how to activate them. Train during the day for just 20 minutes, 3 times per week, and in 3 months, you will know how to naturally put yourself to sleep. No pills, no dependence. Ergonite is advanced, non-invasive EEG therapy on your time.
The worst thing about suffering from bad sleep quality is the lack of energy during the day. You will find it very hard to be available for your friends, for your family, for your work. And that's why we spent 4 years working with the top neuroscientists, tech labs and hospitals around the world.
Studies have shown that neurofeedback could decrease the time to fall asleep by up to 40% and reduce nighttime awakeness by 2. We are so excited to bring this sleep therapy simply into the comfort of your home.